Okay, this is an update. So what we got going on right now is we got 8 weeks of diesel motor oil left. What that means is we have motor oil, however, we don't have the additives like anti-foam, lubrication, other chemicals that you mix with the diesel motor oil to make it run. We also have a shortage of DEF fluid, so if anybody got a new vehicle, and it runs off of DEF. I'm still looking into it, but someone said if you use distilled water, you can get away with the DEF fluid that you have in your tank to extend it so it doesn't go to limp mode. Yes, the government is trying to get rid of you. The easiest way to do that is to get rid of all diesel trucks. The trains are not running right now. They don't have enough diesel fuel. Diesel locomotives run about 3,500 gallons of fuel. They don't have the fuel to put in there even for the run. I just passed a trucker today which had 6 trucks with the front axles lifted, basically because he doesn't have to change the oil in the other trucks, so he was transporting them over there because he doesn't have enough diesel motor oil to do an oil change. There is another way, registration-wise. We have CARB here in the lovely Nazi state of California, and CARB states that you have to be CARB compliant or you have to be exempt from their new rules and regulations, of which they're trying to outlaw everything. Here's the facts, guys. Global change is created by our government. If you do not burn a fossil fuel, you do not have anything to grow plants, which you're about to find out in the next 2 months. So, to get past this regulation, what you can do is you register with CARB as a low sulfur vehicle, and you buy a vehicle that's at least 25 years or older. So it's 2022, so 1997, give or take, 1996. Rigs, you're going to register them as low sulfur. You're going to register them with CARB as low sulfur. Then you're going to go to the DMV and you're going to register it as historic interest. Number one, that gets rid of the late fees. And the DMV will tell you you can't do a commercial truck. That's not what the law states. The law states commercial interest. Historic interest. It doesn't have to be complete. It can be modified. It's just if anybody may want to collect it. And with today's prices, a lot of people want to collect it. So that's what it is. I'll give you more updates as it is, but we got about 8 weeks of motor oil for the diesels left, of which case you will no longer get motor oil until they're talking about mid-2023. So try to get your motor oil now, otherwise you're not going to be able to drive. DEF fluid, I'll still do more research, but I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.
Great. Really? Okay, let's go this way.